Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. Finally, we got some sunshine, so I decided to post another sewing project for you guys. Our today's sewing project is very easy and quicker to do. You all just have to follow step-by-step directions. But before heading down to the project, if you're new to my channel, you're very warmly welcome. I teach sewing, cooking and DIY projects. Just go ahead and subscribe so you can get all the further updates related with this channel. If you already are regular subscriber, you are much appreciated, and I'm sure you are enjoying all the wonderful projects over here. So today's sewing project is I'm gonna teach you how to replace those adjustable straps on this hunting suit. Mostly people have this problem because they use a lot those straps which get stretchy and they get old. But we're gonna use new elastic, or you can use any strap, but we're gonna keep those old adjustment pieces and we're gonna attach them together. So let's go ahead and start out to the project. And if you can see, we have here our men's hunting suit, and we are going to replace these straps. And if you notice, these straps are not anymore stretchy like elastic one. Probably it's the elastic got too stretchy or old, so we're just gonna replace those straps. And rather than buying any extra elastic or straps, I decided to use these one men's utility suspenders, and they are adjustable. So I'm not using those metal pieces. We are just going to use this elastic. It's very steady, and also it's exactly same wide length, so I'm happy about this thing. I will put link in description box, so if you want to replace it. So for replacing this, simply we're just gonna do, first we're gonna separate this thing. Okay, so these we're gonna use the same, so that's why we no need to worry about the front part. And if I show you from back which area first we have to seam rib. So this is the back part, and where we're gonna start taking off our straps. So here we have stitches. If you see, we're simply gonna remove all those stitches so we can open up this strap. And once we have removed all the stitches, then this strap gonna automatically apart from this attachment. And once it's separated from both sides, then I will show you what to do next. And if you see here, you can see I have removed one side of strap. Okay, so if you are doing this project first time, I will highly recommend do one side first and then other side. So in that way, if you're forgetting how to use these attachments, that will help you by following these directions, which is pretty easy, but still trying to make sure you are doing on a correct way. Okay, so I will just gonna simply show you how to do on one side, and then we'll do on other side as well. Okay, we have removed this one. Now we're just gonna open our other attachments, elastic, and we will take measurements and then we will attach it. So we are going to see how much we get this one. I had did this project couple time before too, and even I had also decreased the size of this belt for my nephew. We live in South Africa, so you can use so many different techniques too. Okay, so we are just going to separate this one and this one too, because now I am going to take measurements. Okay, just put this aside, and we can just cut this one, and we will remember that's like a 1/4 inch extra we have to take it. Okay, and these are our attachments. And simply exactly same thing we are going to do. We are removing this. And these attachments you can use with any elastic or any other strap, okay? Keeping 1/4 inch extra for fold. That's what exactly we needed, that piece, okay? Just gonna cut it. And we will cut also 1/4 inch extra for stitches. And that's it. It's stretchy, it's perfect, it's new. And the same thing we are going to do with the other side as well. Okay, so the next part is we're just gonna follow the directions and we are using our elastic. Okay, so you see that's little bumpy on here and the the little down inside, so we have to make sure we are using the right side. The bumpy side will be on up, and the same way this thing should be on a back and this side should be on a up. The second bumper should be on a up, but the first bumper side should be on a down side. Okay, so these two things we just have to make sure. So the first step which we are going to do, we are placing our elastic on the bottom and bringing up here, okay, and then we're just gonna fold a 1/4 inch and we're just gonna keep like a 2 inches distance. So you see the strap is movable, and that will also help us easily to sew. Now we're just gonna like do back 4 stitch to secure our elastic. So let's hack our sewing machine. Alright, so if you notice, I have sewed this on upper side, not on the bottom side, okay, and the bumpy side is in the center. Now simply just gonna keep straight and bringing this from our first loop from back to front and front to back. All right, see that how it's something look like this, and then we are going to place this inside of first setting and the setting second, and that's how it's look like. All right, and then we're just gonna fold a 1/4 inch and simply we're just gonna place these inside of these 2 straps, okay, and just gonna use my clipper to secure, and we're just gonna do back 4 stitch to secure. But before that, just make sure everything is in a quarter lining up, see those 2 straps. I have these 2 straps here, okay, so that look like perfect. And if we trying to close here, there's something gonna look like this, okay, that's our front. So that's how I'm just gonna do, just gonna sew on top of this, and our one side is almost done. And you can easily see the difference, how nicely we have replaced this old strap to our new one. And these one are elastic ones, they're adjustable, they are so nice. I hope you get inspired by our today video. I am going to finish our other side strap as well, and then I will be showing you after finishing all project. And as you can see how nicely we have add new adjustable straps on our hunting suit. And not only front, if I show you from back, it's look very neat and clean. So now today you have learned how to easily replace those adjustable straps, you know, or elastic on any kind of suit, or even with the men's utility suspenders. If you want to decrease the size, you can use the same technique by cutting little more elastic, you know, and you can get your favorite size of utility suspenders. I hope you have liked our today project. If you really do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so I can continually hit more subscribers and continually keep bringing more sewing, cooking, and DIY projects over my channel. God bless you all. I love you all. Be safe wherever you are. Bye-bye.